Oh my gosh. I cannot believe I dropped my phone on my painting. Oh my God. So if you're just tuning into this video, go and check the previous video prior to this one, because I had just finished an awesome Dutch pour and I went to take my phone off the tripod and it slipped out of my hands and fell right into my painting. I swear to God, you'll probably have like the biggest chuckle over it. So go see that one first and then you can come back and watch this one. But I cannot believe I was stupid enough to do that. I can't believe it. So needless to say, I tried to salvage the painting and there was no salvaging it. So I had to scrape it. So that really sucked because it actually looked really good. And that really blows. That's the first time I've ever done that. I've done a million pours. Well, not a million, but I've done a lot. And that is the first time that's ever happened. I cannot believe that happened. That is insane. I can't believe that. Anywho, back to trying this again. I don't even know what my order was last time, but I don't even know what happened. So let's try this again. Oh my God, I can't believe I did that. That was so, oh my gosh. Anywho, let's hope this one turns out just as nice. So I already laid down the white, obviously, just trying to save time here with my colossal boo-boo oopsie moment. And if you're wondering what colors I'm using, check out the other video because I say in that video the colors I'm using. So go and check that out, and then you'll know what colors I'm using. I cannot believe I did that. What a klutz. Anywho. Alright. Let's try that again, shall we? I think I'm just going to use this white here. Alright, so I'm going to flood it. All right, here we go, guys. Let's try this again. And we'll go back. And there we go. So there it is. That's actually even nicer than the first one I did. So that's pretty. Did I pop the bubbles before I blew it? Gosh, I don't even remember. Did I? Oh my God, I'm losing it. Losing it. All right, so, oh, there's some pink. There's a lot of pink. All right, there we go. Done. Lots of pink came out here. My gold, lots of green. Oh, there's some more pink there. That's pretty. All right, I'm not gonna touch it anymore. And oh my God. Like, maybe I won't even take it. Oh, I should take it off the tripod. Oh my God, now I'm scared. Now I'm scared. I'm scared to take it off. Oh my God, this is so bad. Oh my God, okay. Hold the phone real tight, Kanella. Let's try this again, shall we? Oh my God. Okay, I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. Okay, okay. Let's try that again. So here's a close-up of this one. The other one looked nice too, but this one actually looks better. So there it is. You can see the gold with the green in there. Where's that pink? There it is. There's the pink. So there's that quick Dutch pour. So there you go. Sorry about the silliness in the previous video, but I hope you like this one. Let me know your thoughts on this one, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you know when I post new videos. So that's it for me. Check out my Instagram page. All the links are all listed below. Instagram, my Etsy page. I'm still working on getting stuff set up in there, so bear with me. And a PayPal link for anyone who would love to help me and donate. So that's it, guys. Thanks very much, and if you're inquiring about the paints and the colors, like I said, check out the previous video because it'll all be there. So thanks for watching my muck-up, and I hope you enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching. Take care, guys. Bye.